Hey guys, Roy from Apotheca Marketing. One of the things that's been missing from Google Analytics 4, which is an egregious oversight as far as I'm concerned, is that conversion rate isn't available in your standard reporting. So I know, right? Shocking. An analytics tool that for some reason doesn't have conversion rate. So if you look at your main reporting homepage, you can see that you have users, new users, revenue, that type of thing, but no conversion rate. And if you go into reports and you go into engagement, conversions, you would assume that under conversions, they might have something like conversion rate, but in fact they don't. And so you can see that even under the custom tools and the custom reporting areas, if you go and explore that, they also do not have conversion rate. All right, so there's a couple ways that you can do this. One, you can go and use Data Studio to produce a dashboard that shows conversion rate. We'll show you how to do that in a later video. But one of the things I do recommend is that if you're doing a lot of reporting for clients or for executives, that you start to look and explore Data Studio for these reports because they're not great in GA4 yet. So, and there's missing metrics and that type of stuff. But if you do want to show the conversion rate in GA4, again, it's not in the basic reports, but you can go to Explore and actually show it there. So let's go over to Explore. We're going to build a blank dashboard. And from dimensions, we're going to want to use session default channel grouping. And the reason we're not just using regular channel grouping is because that looks at the attribution that is being applied to conversions. And so in this situation, we have sessions that don't have conversions, so we want to look at that. So we're going to import this. Get rid of that. And we're going to look at some metrics. So typical metrics would be conversion rate, because that's, if I can spell it correctly, would be conversion rate, because that's what we're looking for. And we're going to look at session conversion rate and user conversion rate. So it really depends on the conversion rate that you're interested in. If you're looking at user conversion rate, that's going to be the conversion rate for unique users. So if they've come back multiple times, it's not going to look at that. It's going to look at that they came to the site during the given time period and then what the conversion rate is for that. That can seem a little bit higher than your conversion rate, for instance, that you might have been looking at in Google Universal Analytics. So it's really about how you define this. There's not a right or wrong answer. Session conversion rate and user conversion rate are both fine. I tend to like user conversion rate because it is looking at those individual users and not just how many times they came back to the site. So in the metrics, we already have some in here: session conversion rate, user conversion rate. Let's also add sessions. And we'll add users. And revenue. And again, you can add whatever ones you want. Purchase revenue, e-commerce revenue. Now you can double click on these or you can drag them over. I like to double click on them, it's just faster. And now you can see that the breakdown of the acquisition channels. And now we have the conversion rate by session and users. We can see the total sessions, the total users, and the purchase revenue. And so this is an easy way to keep track of this. And then of course you can name this. So you can call it conversion rate, acquisition channel. And then you'll be able to find this in your dashboard. So when you go back to reports or explore, you can see we have this saved. Now, this is only visible to you unless you share it. And so you can share this with your team members, with clients, and then now they can magically see conversion rate. So I hope that this was useful for you. Give us a like. We're going to be showing you some more reporting from GA4 shortly. But in the meantime, subscribe to the channel if you like what you're seeing. Thanks.